What's good guys, I'm here in Hong Kong in my hotel in Hong Kong, and I've been in Hong Kong for just under 24 hours. I've been catching up on some good vlogging, editing my way to some new vlogs, and tonight I turned 25, which is pretty crazy. The question is Hong Kong expensive? The answer is damn right. This little cubicle here, as you can see, really small, and it kind of looks a bit of a mess because I've not been too tidy, but here, look at the little bed. It's barely even a single bed. This cost me 40 bucks US dollars, which is nuts, and this was the cheapest that I could find in the whole of Hong Kong. I couldn't get a hostel dorm. This was the only thing I could get for these 2 nights, so last night and tonight. 40 US dollars, so 80 US dollars for 2 nights, and this is pretty crazy. Hong Kong is super expensive for accommodation. Anyway, I'm gonna head out now. I'm gonna take the camera with me and say bye bye to this room, which is 40 bucks for this. Welcome to Hong Kong. Let's go. This is my apartment. I'm on floor number 14. My room's in there. This is the tower block, I guess, and a long way down. What a sensational view, sensational. Look at that skyline, amazing. That is the greatest skyline I've ever seen. Period. Period. Yeah man, look at the skyline. It's just so cool. Like when I was over there and I was showing you the skyline, I was like, this is such a cool thing. And a lot of movies were inspired by the Hong Kong skyline because it is an incredible skyline, as you can see up here. Really cool. I already love Hong Kong. It's got such an incredible buzz, like I said to you before, like New York, like London. It's fantastic. Phenomenal view. This part of Hong Kong here on the promenade is super quiet, and it is a real getaway from the hustle and bustle of that part of Hong Kong over there where I was, where it's just carnage. Now I'm sure if I go into the island, it's going to be, you know, very hectic in there as well, but this is a little bit of a respite from the absolute carnage that is Hong Kong, and it is pretty much carnage, I've got to say. It's pretty crazy here, but I love it. So as you can see down there, that's where I was before taking the video of the skyline. So it's much less buildings over there, much quieter, but there's still some tall buildings down there. But here, as you can see, this is the main skyline, and it is absolutely fantastic. Look at that. Really good. Alright, I've just turned 25, baby. Mid-20s. Well, there you go, here in Hong Kong. 25th birthday. Alright, so back in my hotel cubicle right now, and I'm going to finish my editing, like I said, outside. I can say I've turned a quarter of a century. Shit's getting real. A great place to do it though in Hong Kong. I love Hong Kong already. And the main purpose of my stay in Hong Kong was, obviously it's Hong Kong, right? It's a fantastic place, but I'm getting my Chinese visa here because in the next month I'm going to China, and so that's going to be complicated, but I'll see you in the morning. I'm just gonna go to the Victoria Peak right now. I'm gonna go to the tram. You can hike it, but today I'm in jeans. I'm gonna hike it another day. But today, up the tram and see this amazing view. Alright, so as you can see there, that was a super long queue. It was about an hour long, that's what it said, approximately 1 hour wait. And so I'm not waiting an hour. It takes an hour apparently to get up there hiking. Just follow Google Maps and get to this viewpoint. Yeah, and obviously if I walk there, I don't spend a cent, a dime, a penny, anything. So onwards and upwards. For that classic Hong Kong, big apartment blocks, thousands of little apartments inside where it probably costs extortionate amounts to rent and live in. But yeah, very cool. Alright, so we're about a quarter of the way there. I am very hot. Don't know if I told you before, but it is super humid today in Hong Kong. And you're nearly getting to a good viewpoint. I think just around this corner there'll be a great view of these high-rise apartment blocks to my left, just around here. But they're covered by the greenery and the leaves. But this is a damn good hike, man. Here we go, view time. Almost at the top. We're all good. The problem is with getting up here, I'm in jeans, and so every time I put my leg up it's like I'm going to rip my jeans up. So other than that, it'd be a very easy climb for that. How about that? What a view. Boom. So this isn't actually in the observation deck, and actually the view is just as good. So yeah, you probably definitely worth going up there. But the view here is the same. Yeah, make sure I don't fall. That'd be a nasty ass fall down there, right? Hold on to that bar. Boom. Alright guys, so tonight I've not done too much because I've been busy trying to get my China visa sorted, because I go to China in about a week. So tomorrow I'm going to apply for my visa. Tonight I've been getting everything, making sure it's all correct, because they will reject it if a single thing is wrong. So yeah, that's what my
my plan tomorrow. Get my China visa sorted out, and then I'll be free to enjoy Hong Kong. But yeah, see you tomorrow.